My dear brothers in Islam, Allah cautioned Adam alayhi salam not to go near a particular tree. Iblis still tempted the couple, made them slip. He went to them, he lured them with false promises. You know what? If you eat this fruit, you will never die. You will become immortal. You are not going to die. You will become immortal. You will live forever. That's why Allah said, don't go near this. Allah is not actually so serious about this, man. Not so serious. He made some false promises. He lured them, made them slip, and they went, ate the fruit of the forbidden tree. And that was the act of disobedience that our forefather Adam alayhi salam has committed. Now here is a wonderful point. This incident talks about the intensity of fitna, the intensity of the trial, IoT again. Look at the intensity. Jannah in Arabic means that place which is covered by trees. Everywhere in Jannah you will find what? Shade. So peaceful, covered by green trees. Allah knows best how many trees are there in Jannah. Billions or trillions, Allahu Alam. Allah knows best. For example, out of trillions of trees, Allah has forbidden only one tree. Allah said, don't go even near to this tree. And look at the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In Islam, when we are commanded not to do a particular thing, what we are supposed to do is, we have to completely avoid. If something is prohibited, even little of that is prohibited. That is Islam. If something is permitted or something is commanded, like worship, acts of worship, try to the best of your capacity. What best you can do with consistency. Maybe little acts of worship, but do it regularly with consistency. Allah loves that. Look at the mercy. If something is prohibited, completely prohibited. If something is commanded to be done, then try to the best of your capacity. Out of the trillions and trillions of trees, only one tree, going near to one tree. Allah did not say, don't eat that fruit of the tree. Very clearly, He mentioned, don't even go near to the tree. But they went, they slipped. Out of the trillions of trees, only one tree was prohibited, and Shaitan was successful in making them slip. That is the trial. That is the intensity of the trial of Shaitan. Out of so many things which are allowed, permitted. For example, liquor is prohibited. And you find milk is not prohibited. All the juices of various fruits, not prohibited. Honey is not prohibited. Honey is recommended. Water is not prohibited. Everything that is good for human being is not prohibited. Liquor is prohibited, and today people are taking different excuses, different reasons to consume liquor. This is the trial of Shaitan.